Say usually if you have to be a sports person, you need to have deep pockets, just like world of business. But some people, like the young Tanay, whom you are now about to meet, defies all stereotypes. He is the son of the watchman of this building where Ashish Chakravarti runs ping pong, a table tennis facility in Yapral, Secunderabad. He used to come here, hang around, watch others play, and one day he was asked whether he would like to play, and he said yes. And the rest, as they say, is history. Let's meet Tanay, and of course with him, his mentor, Guru, Ashish Chakravarti.
నా పేరు తనయ్. మా డాడీ పేరు సైదుల్, మా మమ్మీ పేరు మహేశ్వరి. మా డాడీ ఏమో జిఎమ్స్ పని చేస్తాడు, మా మమ్మీ ఇంట్లో గిన్నెలు తోముతుంది. ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం 5th క్లాస్.
We have one student, he is our watchman's son. He used to come here and watch other kids playing. He came here for like 4-5 days, just standing for half an hour, 45 minutes, just he used to watch. Then after 4-5 days, I asked him, do you want to play? Then he was little scared. He said, no, I don't want to play. Then he came next day. So I asked him, come on, you want to play? He was hesitated. Then slowly he said yes. Then I took him and started giving coaching to him. And very soon he has picked up the game and is doing good. And I hope he'll play continuously.
Yeah, so I have Tanay with me, young boy in his 5th standard. He, in fact, his father works as a watchman here in the building where we have our table tennis facility. He's a football player basically. He used to be playing football in the neighborhood, and then there he got bullied by the senior guys, and then he stopped playing. So one day when we were, when our kids were coaching in the morning, early morning, our coach Mr. P. Suresh was there. So he was just standing near the door and watching. So for a long time we observed him, and then he was just standing there still and then just observing the kids playing. So we called him inside and asked him, do you play any sport? He said, yeah, I used to be playing football, but then because of, the reason where the senior players or the senior boys there bullied him and he stopped going. So then we asked him, does he want to play table tennis? He said, yes, I don't mind. So we said, okay, fine, we'll take a racket and then take a ball and then keep tapping. So, let's see if he can get a feel of the bounce of the ball. So we gave him the racket and we realized that he was doing it well. He had an idea of the ball speed or the bounce or the timing actually. So then we asked him, does he want to continue learning? The apt answer was yes. So he also said that I don't have the money to pay. So that's when our coach, took the initiative and said, I don't need any money to coach you. And then followed by him, I was also there, and then I said, okay, fine, then we'll teach him free of cost, completely sponsored by us or whoever wants to volunteer to come forward to take care of his basic equipments which is required to play. So thankfully we have a couple of other players here who've been coming here for a while, saw his interest, and then they got him basic equipments to learn the game. It's been a month now this boy has been coming here. Trust me, he's doing a good job. Just hope that he becomes or comes to a level where he represents the state or maybe the country. You never know, because talent does not require money all the time too. So our motive is to ensure that we support such people. I'm sure there are many such young boys out in Hyderabad or across. Let's see if we can identify them, and then let's see if we can support them, because the idea of sport is not limited to only a few. Anybody and everybody can play a sport. He's chosen table tennis. We have been fortunate that he's come to our doorstep, and then he was there, and then it's a blessing to us that we are able to add some value to his life. So he's picked up the sport well in the last 1 month, and then he's doing good. Yeah, Tanay?